Okay, hi folks. So you get the bike out of the box. What do you do then? So here you come to the power switch and you turn that on, you press down for 3 seconds and your screen comes on. Now your bike is live, ready to ride. So we just wanted to explain 2 other modes really and a third for the lights. So if we want to start with just the bike on as itself, that means that this throttle is live. So if I press this throttle, the bike would go forward, would jump forward. So just be careful of that. Once you turn it on, the throttle is live. There's another mode that you can have, is if you press this down arrow for 3 seconds, you'll notice on the screen, if I go 1, 2, 3, the little assist button comes on. That means both now. The throttle is live and the pedal assist is live, which really means throttle from 0 to 100%, and the pedal assist is on level number 1, which is give you 20% assist. Then if you wanted that to go up to 40% assist, you would press the up arrow over here and you'll notice that that will go to number 2. Now you're getting 40% assist on your pedaling and you've got full use of your throttle. If you want to go up to 60%, you press it one more time, that'll give you 60, and you go all the way up to 5, which will give you 100% assist on pedal assist, and your throttle is still live. If you want to take pedal assist off and only use your throttle, you'll hold the up arrow, the down arrow for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and you'll notice that assist light has gone away. Now your throttle is still 100% live, but you don't have any pedal assist. If you want to have no throttle and no pedal assist, all you'll do is you'll hit this down arrow, 1, 2, 3, down to 0. Now your bike is like a regular bike. There's no pedal assist and there's no throttle. So that's the first thing that you'll do when you get your bike.